Yes. Tamfam get together, Kissimmee, Orlando, Florida and things. See, my name is Ragashanti and thing, big up on yourself. Yeah, just put together this little thing here. It's a little over 2 hours and thing, and I'm kicking it off with speeded up, abbreviated tour of the place that we stayed at. It was an Airbnb house, a bit of a mansion. Well, not a mansion in the sense like 100 rooms, but a nice big house with some amenities that we all appreciated. Now, many of you would see much of this already in the first video that I posted, but for the purposes of those people who did not see that video, I cut out some things out of that video and just left some essentials in terms of giving people a feel for the place where we were, and so you're going to see some repetitions from the video that I made before, and this is just a speeded up part of it, and then we're going to get into the other content. Again, I want to thank all the people who came, and more importantly, I just want to thank the attitude thank you for the attitude that you brought. It was just perfect. People just melded in, Tamfam style, Ragashanti style. There was a mutual respect there, and people, everybody was just cool, and we had fun. We had a lot of fun, and people got to meet people and to know people, and new friendships blossomed, and it was just great. And of course, there was good food, but naturally also, there was a mission on the Spray Them crew. It was our mission to discipline the Ants crew and thing and whatever. So we are going to get right into the content. I'm going to show how the Ants crew, them bright and out of order. Right through, you go see how them bright and out of order. So without further ado, pre this right away. And the under my foot.
Same way.
See when them under my foot them there. And we are going to start. Yo, catch a video, catch a video. And show all my bedroom slippers I kill ants on here. Ants nest crew, and if you understand on yourself, when the Spray Them crew come out and thing, when I ramp with ants round here and thing, you see, where you going? Where you going? What is going on? No, wait, I walk one. No, sir. Wait, I walk one. No. No, I stamp them and I put them there. Jesus and peace. No. What? Well, so we can't get them again. Them still can't get one. They must come out. They can't live in our bosom forever. They must come out. And when them come out, we are going to stamp them and done them.
Over and over.
Alright, people. So my chef outfit here, you understand? I chef this, I chef this, see it there? And we have a message for the Ants Nest, King Chef Raga, Ants Nest crew, an anchor for my cooking. Oi, they will laugh, their things and whatever. And what we saw up here, I can see what we saw up here, You see how we silly? Anyway, we are going around and I'm going to deal with them case right now. Alright. I'm going to flip it now. Alright. I'll make them see. Well, go on. Alright, I'm going to flip it first. Alright, want to talk to me now? Want to talk to me? Well on. Want to talk to me now? Talk to me now. Read what my teeth says. Read what my ad says. What you say? What my ad say? What me say? What me say? What? Yeah. Where you run about? Where you run about? See that them career dead right now, Ph.D. Make them say the things them, you see? Them career dead right now. We don't come as if a play with people. We don't come as if a ramp with people. The class is on! The class is on! We don't come as so we play with people. Them can beg for mercy and we'll consider it, but we don't know yet. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, you waited around a while ago. Hug me up. Hug me up. And that may I tell you, hug me up and thing. But oh yeah. Watch out now, man. Alright. Wait, hold on. Okay. Come in, finally, celebrity chef. Come in, Pills. People carrier done now. People carrier done now. People carrier done now. People carrier done now. Oh, yeah. We don't want to cover and thing or whatever. Them carrier done now. Mango, you're still in there, that goes in. Yeah, that alone. Back. J Cam said this alone killer.
When I start here to know, we save the best to last.
Save the best to last.
Save the best to last.
Eat the bone. And that, eat the bone. Yeah, hold on. Where you want me from the side?
No, I want the front. Yes, man.
Hey,
Me say, them carrier done. It's still around music.
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right, now say a word, man. Watch it. Yeah. Man, I know, you know, your face look nervous and thing.
I love it.
Your face, huh?
I love the hype.
You love the hype?
Your hype been so good.
Yeah.
Because you have a ghost chef.
Can we have a ghost chef? What kind of ghost chef?
Like ghost
No, understand.
Like
Watch out.
writers.
The whole of uno.
There are ghost chefs.
No, but the whole of uno. Watch out. Look how much of uno. So uno alone did want to beat me out of me alone out of my crew. And the whole of uno crew. You understand? Navel, don't you in at the spray them crew.
Sure.
Navel, assure them.
I'm an observer.
Navel. No, take your hand out of the man face. Take your hand out of the Java, take your hand out of the man face. Java, him not hungry, nobody. You're not going to catch him with food like how you catch Delmarine. You're not going to catch him with food like how you catch him not hungry. Java, the man not hungry. Java, the man not hungry. The man not hungry, go on China, man. You're not going to catch him with food like how you whatever. The man tell me not spray them crew. Right? Listen to me. You're not going to catch him with banana chips like you do with Delmarine. Yeah? That me I tell you now, whatever. Because the thing on right now, about to get busy. I'm about to get busy in this. You understand? Somebody else will come. So man go walk out, I go somewhere and I people them towel. Huh? See, the more food and sitting and coming in a place. Cute in the building. Ramen. Chad. Yeah. And thing and beer things are going. So where you go with Pat? Boy, you know, say you look like a model. Right? You're a model, you know. That's all you do. Muggle with the pot. Because that's all you know to do with the pot. Muggle with the pot, right? Be a pot modeler. And just tell them about the brand now and what they must do and all these things and whatever. Right? Because you can't cook. You're buffing. Okay, you do it really good. So, you do it. Hold on. I want to go over here, sir. What? Your wife cook better than you? People, this man is a world-regarded chef, you know, you understand? And he's saying his wife cook better than him. Well, people, this is a lesson in how you keep a relationship going, right? Smart man, because if know him wife baffan and can't even boil water, he's an international chef, but if don't throw her under the bus, him say she is that, you see, and you wonder why the relationship work. It's not by accident. Husband of the year. Hey! Husband of the year. Rate you. You're not throw your wife under the bus. You understand? Right? It's even a one egg. Wagwan.
Who? Wait. George and Gillian.
You see, George and Gillian. Big up on yourself, you know, respect for the roll through and thing, all right? And down there you're hungry, you know, we don't tolerate that. No, as long as you do, but we don't want to know hungry. None of the fish not done it. We don't want to the hungry, but we don't want to carry on to the ER either, so don't eat the ants nest food.
Okay.
Right, so that's all we ask and thing, you know. It's just a safety precaution.
Yeah.
Don't eat no food from the ants
Wait,
nest.
so might get some ants.
Yes. All right. So you know what? Yes, she say you do it. Do it. Come here. Put them there. Put this back. Come at me show it. What you just do. You lift up the pot cover and what you see a while ago. You lift up pot cover and pot cover. Did she say you're not used to the pot? Yes, she say you're not used to pot. You lift up pot cover and I reveal pot cover. You're not used to the pot. That not. Romeo, I was sweet over there. All right. We're having fun, people. You understand? Yeah. Me need one of them little something to should have one. Man, one upstairs, you know, for all the phone so that when I'm unleashing my expert. What you say?
Chef Yay spray! And Sness is gonna die today. And Sness is gonna die. Yay tea!
No, she didn't. She said, yay, spray. Eh? Huh?
Yeah, we should have a trap on that car.
Yeah. Because I want to set up a thing properly and thing because.
All right.
Evidence. See it there?
Ansness
See it there?
true. Y'all
See
see
it
what's
there?
taking place?
See it there? Yeah, man.
Let them know.
Spray them, I go done them. Spray them and done
Amen.
them.
All right.
Cook them and fry them and steam them and bake them. People dead. Ansness dead. Rap. Show them two fish. Watch it. Watch them. Watch them. Look for fish. Spray them crew. Look for fish.
Trouble.
See it there? Trouble there. Them dead, you know. Master God, only God can save them. 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 Only God can save them.
Hear that? People dead.
Yeah. Only God can come on. Come on, go set out that one about that. Come, Sam. Lock back that. Only God can save them. Only God can save them. People dead. Answers are going to sleep. See the food there.
Hold the bag.
See the food there.
Spin
Only
your
God
roll.
can save them.
Spin your roll.
Hey, I know say you this general.
Okay, there's something there. No, it's not me yet.
It's going right now.
You're not sleep nothing.
No, Mango, you were using that thing to masturbate. Mango, you were masturbating. You were You were? I knew you were. Oh my God! See across your leg there now. Mango. Oh my God! Mango, you had the look.
Levitated and came back down.
Jamaica. Now we really should stay for the week.
Run that video. You want the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on the video. It's a run.
So, sir,
Yeah.
on behalf of the
Well, I'm afraid. I want.
Spin the road, spin the road, spin the road.
No, we have to say a word. And I treat that.
on behalf of the Anthony's crew,
Yeah.
the greatest sorority that has ever existed in
Yeah.
Tamfam,
Yeah.
we present to you
Yeah.
this gift
Yeah.
of sympathy. And sir, we implore you at this moment to concede victory to the Ants crew as you are about to engage in self-destruction. We ask you to stop it and just concede victory to us because you will be completely annihilated.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on. Is this gonna explode?
Take it off.
Okay.
You can show them your gift.
Tissue.
Yes.
Tears.
Oh, this is for my tears. This is for my tears. Okay. Ginger.
So for everybody that you offer in your face.
You're gonna need a ginger. That soothes any.
Pepto-Bismol.
Ginger will soothe everything.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
And we think this one will look better. Turn it around.
I love it.
I got this. I got this, yeah.
There we go. Chef Raga. I got this.
So you.
I think, yeah. I'm always, okay. Well,
So give Anthony's crew 3 cheers.
right. Once a big respect to the Anthony's crew, like a reprieve, just for a second. Big respect to the Anthony's crew. Everything is everything. No, big and serious, but that's why I say we love the energy and the joy. I think like I tell people all the while is I do this because I enjoy it. It's fun, but it's only fun with fun people, who understand you. Yeah, who we can joke with and trouble and them, we're having fun, that's Raga or whatever, and, and without a question, the Anthony's crew definitely falls within that category or whatever. And them just bring a vibe to the family and all these things. It's some more spreading crew people have come in and Sham or whatever, but we just want to say, no respect to Anthony's crew in a Tamfam. And you know what I really like? I tell people all the while, say don't force certain things, it will just come. And this is a perfect example like when, was it Naki?
No, Del Marie.
No, Naki with the ant.
Yeah, ant, right, and whatever. And then me grab on it and I was like ant and then it just evolved. That's why I tell people, just leave it alone. You come with the right attitude, come with the right mindset, just be positive, relax, respect people, have fun and whatever. And the magic will happen. You don't have to force it. That has always been the case. The magic just comes out. If you're yourself and you're cool and it's not about you or I'm looking at some of that. I'm in love with that thing that evolve, And before you know it, there's something you're going that is fun. And this is hilarious, right? This is hilarious, but it's all good, I work with a one right now and think because...
Red fit your mouth. I remember red boost your confidence.
Yes. Let's show them full of lyrics. Well, we're going to cook right now and I just want to say thanks to Norval and Anthony in advance. And people don't know the situation with Anthony. So I just declare myself, say, when this whole thing unfold, Antasha, who is in the Anthony's crew, she knew that Anthony was a part of it. Anthony was like, whatever. And she agreed So, CBS, when I want to go on like so because Anthony is juggling with me as a chef and a chef because I don't tell already, man. You understand already? When I want to go on like when I want to come disrespect the thing, I am involved in it, so I have oversight. Yes. So Anthony's going to say what to do, but at the end of the day, I decide what goes first and what doesn't go. Let's work with it. All right, okay, let's go. Let the games begin.
So what is that? What are those?
No, them not bring give me gift. The answer crew give me on top.
Why? You don't need it?
Them, yeah, but them give a tissue for people who are ball. And when the food not taste good, you throw the ginger in it for pepper up because it not taste good. And in severe cases, we give them Pepto-Bismol with them bright self, them out order.
Very easy.
3 cheers to spray them, hip hip hooray!
And it's not gonna open, them not gonna open, so you don't need them. For what? What do you need Pepto-Bismol for?
For the ansness crew.
That's Beauty Jacob Foundation. All right, so. First thing first. For this? Yes.
Pause the camera and let it go and run. Make it run.
It's running, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make it run. Okay. That's a true for the side. But in the meantime, listen, I just want to move this. This is a 15 minutes. No, why you take my tools, please? Proceed to cook or cook. Oh, wait. Let's snap only for do something. So, you know, we're going to steam them down. Fry them down so. Might have to do some of the steam fish or some of the fish. And throw them in the oven? Yeah. Same thing.
So is now you're doing a tutorial of teaching them how to cook?
What? No, man. Listen, go read the ABC book or something. Right? Go read the ABC book or something with the outside. With the bright self and thing, alright? Should I get out of bread here? Sure. What is it?
This she was gonna use it for her curry.
Oh, sure.
Shrimp? I think she was making something.
You can get these.
We can get these? Alright. Correct time.
Yo!
I can do that! Alright, let me do something. Come on, you can't do that. Even though there is something a little bit disconcerting about this.
You know the real
Don't it? Yeah, there is something something disconcerting, you know? But we work with it now. You can't see some of cook now. You know, but my hands are good though, you know, just not for cooking.
Normal. You can make the whole thing, the pumpkin.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We're not going into details in a man, but what's your name, pumpkin?
Yeah.
From here, the jacuzzi episode. You know, you're in your zone right now, you know, boy. It's a goodie, you roll over in there, you know. I tell you, you know. Man, go get in the zone, them not right. And well spread out too, you know. No more knife for that. You need that? I ask you for more knife and you give me another carrot. Yeah, Antasha did something, I don't know. And Antasha, I don't know what Antasha did different. I think she was the one who figured it out. Or it was you?
Me? No. I give a touch of silver.
see it? That's why you have to pick up where you're not here. You see it? Or when the thing them that come out smooth with you. No, it a bend up and if I'm both business. That's why people just staying on them there. Jacob, you buff on top? Some man look good, man. You know, I don't know if you look good and can't cook. What? What? It's extremely good what? In the kitchen? That don't necessarily mean cooking. I know a couple like that. New Jersey actually.
Oh, okay.
When they meet the man said to her,
Oh, okay, alright.
when I forgot in the kitchen. and she said, I'm going to the kitchen but I don't cook. And he said that don't make sense. And she said, you'll understand. 2 years later they're married. Him understand. And she no cook. But she good in the kitchen. Yeah. Married now. Englewood. Yeah? They live in Englewood. We're cut up there now? Cut up there now like, what are you doing? Cut up like dice or like that?
Yeah, well, so listen, it's like a 50 we make with that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, all we've been putting in the matter. Even said we need to get a color from it.
But cutie, you finally, you not get your wish now.
Yeah. And you say you're going to cook, right? So we have to keep by your word.
Alright. Cutie, you not get your wish.
Yes, man. Watch your finger.
No, my cutie didn't tell me that she want. She said, I like to see men in the kitchen cooking.
It's sexy.
She said it's sexy. You get your wish, cutie. Alright. You see it. Remember, man.
But you don't answer me.
No, when you say that, Mr. I'm not paying no mind because I know me no cook. Right? But
Yeah,
see,
see
it turned out that way. It look like you didn't get a little vision, man.
Yeah, man. It's sexy, man. We're man in the kitchen.
Oh, go aside here. Alright. You see, baby, you see them I teach me though. Right now, sister, me I cut them too big, you know. Now, that's very diplomatic. Say, we kind of want them this side.
Watch your finger when the knife will go down.
Alright, yeah. Alright, so.
Yeah, so.
Go aside here. Yeah. Alright. Just tell me what I should do and I'll do it, you know. Alright.
Let's go to Christchurch prep. Should know that.
We used to go to
Christ
Christchurch just for church.
And Sunday morning.
It's good?
Was it Mitchell?
No, them not be too fine.
No.
I don't know if it was time to go, but yes, I used to go.
Oh, you see it? I learned something. Alright, learn. Alright, see?
Yeah, Sunday was next
Because yeah, pumpkin mash out your ready. You see it? Yeah, I'm at the new one.
my first son.
Right next door to the police station.
That's what she was telling me.
I ask you something like, going to the cook or the young ones, but you never on camera, man. You talk
Practically.
you see me?
Alright. Was saying I'm Christchurch.
We used to go to Memphis now.
See?
You should go where?
Maybe
Where was that?
St. Joseph and go down.
St. Joseph.
Why am I
You
not?
ever heard of Maranatha?
Yeah, but no, I hear it,
It's,
but I
the
don't know.
school is in the back.
Near Upper Cap?
No, man, I don't get it. Pass Langston Road and go round.
Okay, oh, that's a no.
Yeah. No, St. Joseph.
Yeah, man.
When you bend the corner. It's amazing.
I know the school. That's what
Tamfam,
I
I
know.
know.
So, long time.
Alright, but that's fine. But I mean, she did this Anthropologist.
What?
She did the Tambourine. She did the Texas and thing and man Kichara Bun man.
First Avenue, Second Avenue.
24 hours around posting and SWAT team man. Yeah man, pass this national news and thing and.
Station. So whenever that
I thought
beat
yesterday she
the man them in
somebody
that
talk about this one.
and At the wall. So we had a wall.
Tell them, man. 24 hours, more than 24 hours. And then, you know, negotiate. Small world. You know?
We never go.
Baller and tire rope and stripper and put everything on the yes. Put everything on the internet, you know? It just, yesterday she get, Mix up and Texas. 24 hours and thing, news, beer news and SWAT team and they are all over and everything we should do like in our phone, like the man them we put our one at the time and we put our picture and video and thing on tire and thing. That time my daughter did everything and look at that.
She came up.
Yeah, daughter, you know, of course.
I mean, listen,
No man's daughter, young man that man.
at least what they teach
Got
us.
a big daughter.
It's pretty good. It's just,
I would love this on my son.
And I'm a big daughter.
but still, well,
But she must have been born in before and saying, you know,
I don't know that.
but between me and you,
Look here.
you can't tame she. You can't tame she. So even though way run up in and I try to change that, or she go tell him, right? Yeah. No man, hey, if she not think different after this, boy, yeah. She not think different after this, man. Tell you, say,
The music album on Friday.
That's a answer.
And check your fingernails. Your hands are straight and neat and clean and smooth and your hair looks nice and your ribbon.
No more. No anything, just
put her for a year and put everything on the internet.
Yeah.
It's already together, no?
Yeah, well,
We're not sure.
well, yeah.
And I'm there, right? And I'm there.
Yeah, I didn't do it. Rock out of the carrot too?
yeah, man.
So, carrot, no.
Listen, everything I going on a patch here. So let's throw it in and then we'll just start.
All right. All right. So the man has shown me thing, all right.
Oh boy.
You see a picture? Please.
Looking at you.
Talk to me.
So, now things are legal.
And this one, what is it?
Okay, you see one of the Asian things.
Yeah.
All right. You look at concert, if you want boss, concert will see it out. You know, cook them and just make a nice sauce and go over it and we probably might use some carrot as a base.
Some what?
No, carrot. You know, okay. Keeping the thing right, nice in the product. I will display it as well.
Right.
At least, chef, if you think that's the right way to go. You know, I'm just saying. Perhaps you should display, you know. Maybe you want to continue, you know.
Yeah, no, it's a display, what you mean?
Nice cabbage.
Yeah.
Shingle and nice sauce over it.
I agree, I approve.
That's some scallion?
I approve, I approve that one there.
All right.
Yeah.
So I make sure you're good with it. As long as you're good with it.
Alright, if I saw we have fun, you know. You understand? That's how we do it, you know? Is it cool enough in here?
Yes, it's alright.
It's cool? Okay. Oh, so that's right. There on the floor.
So let's say you tell me cut it, boss. You say cut it.
Yeah, I saw the telephone cut it, right? Yeah, I mean the telephone cut it. What's it called? The bias cut?
Yeah, man. I'm not testing, but yeah.
Right. Anthony, make sure those are cut with the bias cut, okay?
Yes, correct.
Okay, alright then, cool. And now Norval,
Yes, sir.
make sure the carrots are cut with equal pieces, okay?
Will do.
It's all fun. No, she has still some man go asleep. No, don't follow. Don't fall around. Next thing you know, man, come and look here and say, oh, you answer woman phone. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. Okay. So we have carrot and pumpkin. And pumpkin. Yes, chef. Yeah, man. Yes, chef. All right. What the brother name? Ramsey. Gordon Ramsey. Yeah. Yeah. My son played up. Yeah.
Alright, so
no for them when them says catch by the pepper up and them not acting up. They're not
it's sweet.
Yeah. Do we need to move this? This probably shouldn't be here right now, though.
I really, yeah, you can put that song. I really watch that. Well, no.
Oh!
I get a fair quarters. You know what I mean?
Brittany,
They say the fair. This is what they say, the fair quarters. I get a fair.
Christiana, yeah?
Hey, no, yeah. What's up with God?
Christian, I get it.
The gospel of Christian. The gospel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some hot girl come from that
That's
area.
one. Yeah.
So if one of their relatives, then she must have something. You don't know.
Why, but Brittany surprised me, though.
I choose to have the color. She might feel in her mind. So the color means something.
No, alright. And you know, all that's a go on. When we can't say it's just because that's a record.
Oh.
Now this we said.
Oh, yeah.
Stop recording.
No.
Go to commercial break. Yeah. Yeah, we'll take a break right there, so now. All right, we're about to kick off a loaded game right now, Auntie. So the board, the Mango player, Chad, and Jacob and thing. And I just want to announce, people are going dead around here, so now we are talking about everless and bandless. See my move the blue something, Man and girl is this hour. Love sponge, you're 1 hour. Sugar daddy. And I 1 hour.
Me no want that. Love my fatty.
Love my fatty. Alright. A murderation, you know. We're going to deal with the thing wicked right now. We're not ramping. We're not ramp with people. We're going to kick it out. Alright, hold on there before I cut off the video. Let me show the first 6. Watch me show you how wicked you know. Oh, no lucky. Hold on. What are the rules? If your dice jump off of the board, you lose your throw, don't you?
Is it lock pawn stop?
No.
We're not play lock pawn stop. That's too long indeed and whatever. Any other rules?
No. Regular rules?
Any other rules? No. Okay. All right. Cool.
Anybody can assist?
Oh, by the way, if somebody move them man and whatever, I will never see nothing.
Yes.
Wait, touch is a move?
Yes.
Touch is a move, Nable?
Yes.
All right, then touch is a move. All right, touch is a move. If you touch it, you have to move. Wow. See it there? Thing up. Food a bubble up. See the fish tea a go on over here, so. Murder. Some gravy thing here, so. I want another pot here. No, hold on, somebody open that pot here for me. Open that pot here a little bit there for me. That's a what? We stuff the fish. Okay. All right. The same thing when me telling her for make down. I same thing when me telling her for make because I'm here the head chef, you know, see it there? The fish. Okay, this is exactly what me telling her to do it.
Yeah.
See some more fish are clean up over here, so. Anthony the boss I work on it and thing. And hold on. Put the fish over there, so you put the fish over. Oh, you do what me tell you for do. All right. Rub the lime in the fish now. Rub the lime in the fish now. Rub it on the other side now. Right, because me are the managing chef, you know.
Yes,
Well, me get 1 second. Whoa, this look nice. This is it. Well, the sausage is a tad bit burned. But this is not how I instructed the sausage to be done. But, all right, good. We're making some headway. Yeah, this looks more like what I want, okay? All right, we're making some headway over here. And, oh my days. Here we go. Look at that. Snapper for days. Tamfam get together. One thing when I shout around here of food. When me shout a mango here a balance up, but still. What are we the white Hennessy? You know, deal with the white Hennessy. Wicked down. Alright. See the people out by the pool. Yeah. Domino play over here, so. Dog bite, Pewsy, Romian, George and thing. People out by the pool. Tamfam get together, juggle now. J-Cam, I walk me the hardwood bread. Don't feel up your bread before you cut it, you know. I just say, you know. So hold on, on the left, loading him, eh? No, I want a piece of bread with butter, but no butter no there. Butter there? Yeah, I want 2 slices of hardwood bread with butter. Here, J-Cam. Boy, look at my team, you know. My team I put in the work, me have to tell you, John, you know. You see. Watch it. Some mango and coffee food already, yeah? Yeah? Navi. All right, give me the last one. Yo, nobody have nothing line of Pepsi there. Huh? What? Yeah, with the white Hennessy. Little bit of white Hennessy, I want with some coke going. Huh? Oh, we not do that. Eh? No, I just want it with some butter.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Me not want enough doing here. The white Hennessy with the coke, just a little bit of white Hennessy here. Oh yeah, okay. No man, me get it live. You can't hide. Me get it live. What about that? Wind. One row. Oh, one left. One left. About 6 maybe eat already. More in the freezer. So we do that later. Wanna good?
Yes, man, chef.
Yeah? Nigeria yourself? Yeah, so what you mean? She's a chef, then when she see a chef, she know a chef.
No, I'm not a king chef, you know. Oh, okay.
probably cleans up after the real chef.
Yeah, you know him do the
And Tasha, you know, say you violate and you nah give me my respect. That me assure you, you know. And Tasha, you violate and nah give man them respect.
Prepping, yeah, you just say, go cut the onion and cut up the thyme.
Prepping.
Yes, alright, you say true. Me I respect on the girls' time, won't you? Something on the men's. What?
Chef de cuisine.
There's
no title.
I want you to know that everybody in there is cooking under my direction. That's what I tell you now, yeah? They're doing what I... They might do what I tell them. We have a cute young one with them. Hold on. I walk on there, so, young man a dance, see that? But it look like, look when face I go down for you, you know. Same face I go down for you. Where you say a long, where you say what? All right, ready for play again? Loody again. Lock back your door. Okay, all right. Hold on. Am I bread and butter? That? All right. As long as it's not buying me up, you know. Wait, the walk going over here, so steaks and all of that. You know how long me not play this?
Me too.
No, but they're all cooking on them. Yes, you need some directions.
Yes, she has some concerns.
What's the concern?
No cornstarch in the soup. I need to drink the soup.
You don't want any...
I said that you didn't tell me to put any there.
Right, what's that?
You told me not to put any cornstarch.
Right, I did say that. No cornstarch in the soup. No cornstarch. Hey, head chef directions. No cornstarch in the soup. Right? And usually when they put cornstarch in the soup, why they do it? How would them do it for Navi? Big eat body.
Yeah, but pumpkin and other stuff can do that.
Yeah, but pumpkin, you don't need cornstarch.
That's mostly Chinese cooking.
That Chinese, them know.
We're not Chinese.
We're not Chinese. Okay, all right then. Yo, you can't see now about Jamaican. The man a cook and a clean up at the same time, you know. The man a cook and a clean up at the same time. Bad thing. I walk one over the sun. Yo. You know, say, I deal with my bread and butter, you know. Now, where you fast for? Where you fast for? Me feed for some hardware bread and butter. Awa.
So you can't put the sausage?
No. She did all active. Me want it toast. Me don't want it toast. Me want it how we usually do at Jamaica. I just a straight hardware bread and the butter. You see me? That me want. All right.
Style.
Yeah.
So I'm not giving another bread.
So bread if you want bread. Then I just say you want it.
I just chop it up. Wow. Wow, very good, Anthony. Oh, I want one of those bracelets.
The chef is the one who gave me instructions.
Say that again.
Chef, is this the way you want it, chef?
Yeah, that is the way I want it. Yeah. What? Why not go man, the man? That the man say, man. The man just saw the head chef one. Hey, right now, I want you to call me Raga Garden Ramsey. Raga Garden Ramsey. Anthony, hold on. Yes, I want the salt and pepper in the fish them and thing. Right, Anthony, yes. Right. When I go and load the man. Anthony, follow my directions. All right. Oh, yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Nice. All right. All right, so you got the rest of them? You know. What? No, I don't give Narval him directions and things. Narval, I tell him how to cut up. Listen, hold on. I tell Narval how to cut up the pumpkin, I cut them up too small. And I want the pieces to be consistent because I don't want the pumpkin to boil out. Now, some people would say that it was actually Narval who told me that. But we're not going to say that. We're not going. Yo. All right, man, go back to my loading game.
First 6 of drop.
No, first 6 of drop? Who gets 6? Oh, Fuse, you get 6 now. Fuse, you come here, man, them get 6. Oh, God. Jano. All right, back to my loading game, you know. Where were my bread and butter there? Yo. Oh.
So guess what? I'm taking down
I see you get 6 love. Are you get them 6 love?
Yes.
Proper, you deserve your great goose. You deserve, you don't play with people. Eh? You and Dog Boy, give them 6 love. You don't play with people. You don't play with people. 6 under them structure.
Okay, we do a public delivery.
All right, back to the loading game, you know. Murder some people, you know. How if I drink that? Eh? Who? I know I say you know, man. Eh? See?
We're gonna order someone. We're gonna do a public delivery. We'll get someone here.
All right, Ludi again. A Ufa Chua. No, a Raga Chua, man. I want me to, you know, see the thing open up now. She still, hold on, she still locked for me gate. Hold on, all of my 4 man them did out there.
Yeah, and try them there.
I don't know, blue is my favorite color, so I must blue me. Man and girl is here, so. All right. People, look at them 2 green man there in front of my 2 blue man. You see, so when I whisper again, you know, me, I watch you know. Watch you know, people. Bust them head now, Ragashanti. Miss Cherry boy. 6.
Run over that.
Deuces.
What happened?
Something dead. Well, you have to be careful, listen, because. Oh, if me kill one. Why? It's sticky, but you know, so I'm going to make the play anyway. I know, man, I better we fling with one man. Those, yes. All right, then. One must live at least. One must live. You can't kill 2, but I don't not stop the video. I want to see if you are going to kill. It was some big number now.
This is a buffet style.
Big number.
Buffet, big number. 6, 1, 2. That one I gone for.
Bomba.
Right. That's for that a bush.
Man, got 2 or 6 yes, man.
1, 2, 3. That's for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no do it, peace.
No, what do I got happen right away?
Ain't nothing gonna happen. Read the book.
Man, I want to say them a team up, you know.
Yes, sir.
I want to say them a team up, you know, Mango.
You only can move 2 at the moment. shake again.
People, you see it there? I get my 6 and can't use it because she locked by my gate.
I'm in a cup here, so.
And then him lock round there, so. The red man them a PR man. And the two of them, I see them there. Send this to the FBI, see them there. See the two of them there. See the two of them there. Send this to the FBI. I get my 6 and can't use it.
Don't get no more and get move those.
Can only move those. It's alright. The race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure. Watch and see. Open up now, now. Romy and them a team up over here upon me, you know.
Hello. Why you not easy?
Everything dead.
You don't have man round there so could I move?
No, but no come shall come to kill me. Like if I come shall come to kill me.
What's me and I now?
Nothing no wrong, nothing no wrong.
No, man.
What you said? No, the boy open up.
No, open up.
Me not going up. Me not going on a walk. Me not. Hey, me not.
Pull me.
Nah, we not see what I go on. We no. We are gonna see what I go on, you know.
Why you switch quickie? My God.
Wait before do Mango, you not play.
Uh-oh.
Mango, where your man them there? Oh, Bango, you see she a style for you.
I hold on my career. Great, bum.
Well, I got to just run over.
So the next game we're gonna play double number.
Okay. 12.
People, watch your people, me get double 6 and care.
Can't kill me, none at all.
5, 6, 1.
We have a problem now. You only can move 3 now. Yeah, me want to do that. You only can move 3. 2.
5 goes. What, I need Mango for open up. But at least she can.
What are the man?
Yeah, you rich, yo.
Me rich, yo. How much people she have to kill?
I saw you make woman turn in and you there. The whole time she use you, you don't even know.
Well, guess what? A woman can use me.
The whole time she use you and a play, you get a pretty smile over there. And you think they see the fine team and they say, what you look there? You know, you just kill you a while ago. Yo, you saw she kill her with attitude a while ago. Kill her back. Kill her back. 3 back murder. She just kill you.
I want to you.
She just kill you.
But you're brighty.
Yeah.
Allow me and allow her people. And she can't
look out there. You're around there in her ears and look like so she kill you. Kill back her ass, yes? Yeah.
People at water now.
So Mango, you just throw, you know. Move your man, man. No, move your man, Mango. Stop playing.
Yeah,
Mango, play on the man and stop the foolishness, man. Mango, where you take man? You come lock for man gate and I want to come move. Lock for, you know, she never want to play. All Gina, you see her. Watch her though. Go in, Raga. All right. Wait there. You have some of there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay right there, so. Bust up that blood. Video I run. Oh, you mean kill you, yes? Then look how much you forgot to say you rat me up over here, so. Eh? You forgot to say you forgot to say the ratted me up over here. All right.
And me want to catch. No. All right. But you learn a lesson though. All right. That's all.
I want a 6.
Me can't count for you, but just want to make sure say you count right.
A 6 that?
Yeah.
My happy player?
Yes.
But that's online, Mango. You can't push Mango a while ago. Move your 5, my dear. God, that's dead. Dead man walking.
Yeah, so why am I play with so much attitude? I want me to him.
Just clarify for me which part that there.
Yeah.
Black or red?
Yeah, black.
So me just need 3.
3. Treat the ratting.
Move it.
Boss it up. Boss it up. Boss it. Why am I moving it? Boss it
Yeah,
up.
man. Respect. Alright. I'm over there say you dead. No carry your crosses come over here.
Yeah.
Trace me, I live on band. You want to carry your crosses?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can make it. There you go. You made it.
Ah, Jesus. Let me see what I got. Come now, Raga.
6, 4, 5.
6 now.
6, 5.
6, 5. 6, 5.
You get the 6 and the
6S. What you say, what?
People are big friend.
Me and your friend? Oh, we are friend now. Yeah, we are friend now.
Oh.
No, we are friend now. We are friend now. We are friend now. No, we are friend now.
Me want to see shit on over this. Killer.
Eh? We are friend now. No, a friend. No, don't turn over the game, man. I'm gonna bother with the foolishness, you know. No, you can't turn. Don't turn over the game. And then turn over the game. I play no more game in here. Oh, you're not even get to use your one bathroom. That would be an incentive, don't you?
Five and dose.
Come and throw 5 dose.
5 dose. 5 glass dose come here.
Yeah, I may have to play the 5 and the dose, don't
Yeah. And dose in the rest.
Lucky, you know, man. Mango, you're lucky.
Open up your leg, girl.
What?
Kill him. You're a murderer.
Kill him.
Hey. She had killed me before and know the consequences after that.
You're no friend.
Me got friend. You want me to kill you?
No, she will murder. Murder that.
She begged for it.
Friends like this, you don't need enemies.
She asked me to kill her.
Friends like you don't need
I heard her say I wanted.
Friends like you don't need enemies. Me and you come now.
Come over yourself. Come over yourself.
Bombat mango.
Come over yourself.
Eh?
You hear me say, you want to kill me. You hear me say that?
Over there, sir.
You never hear the with it.
What up?
You never hear the with it.
You do what?
You never hear me say, you want him to kill me with it.
So you want him kill you with it?
Yeah.
So a different kill that then. Okay, she never said kill me. She said that she didn't want him kill her with it.
God, pray for these sinners at the hour of the day. Amen.
Alright, I overthrow my tour.
I just start up the game.
I
listen at the outside night.
Double 4,
Yeah,
me not
no,
player. Because she a hold up a game around here, so.
Well, yeah, hold up no more.
Raga, look, their legs open.
Wide. 1, 2, 3. Let me show you how to play this.
You play too safe. Me not like
Don't
you.
worry about my safe. Me know that.
Me
You see
not
that.
like you.
You don't like me?
No, because you don't play
You don't
wide.
even like me.
You have to take chances in a life.
Then me not have vote for
Watch
chance
this.
for the vote.
Banana mango.
Banana mango. You go born again?
I'm missing it.
You sure?
Come here.
Born again.
Rotted my bombat. Alive.
Come here.
Oh, you lose your tour. Lose your tour. Lose your tour. You lose your tour. You lose your tour. You're too aggressive, Mango.
Put that in the hole.
No, Mango, you need to do this with a slow hand.
Let's so.
Alright, watch out now. Look.
Watch it, yes.
No, look how Raga gets 6 nice and easy, gently. Watch out.
No, one of them lock yourself. Other one.
What was that?
Oh, they lock yourself.
What were you saying, sir?
Well, I'm
Hello.
Eh?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. You got cinco, Mila.
Alright, over your tour, you know.
Yeah.
Then your tour.
Over to. I would have to. I should have to. Yeah.
Well on, let me play. One.
You know move and you want
Me no move ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well on, let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go dead, Abush. Do it. What you say, what? Do it again. Do it again.
Kill her with it.
Yeah.
Kill her with it.
You can't move.
That's more then.
Kill for kill?
Kill for kill.
Move it 3. Hello. Me dear. Move it 3. Yeah. And 3 and 2 are 5. No, yes, sir. How is mango? I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold on. Assistant chefs. Is the food being cooked to my direction? Yes. Yes. Say yes, Raga Gardner Ramsay.
Yes, Ramsay.
Yes. Yeah. Let me see if you cut up the cabbage the way I want it cut up and yeah. And what going over there, so?
Fish stuffing.
Butter and fish, butter upon the fish and the fish are stuffed and all these things and whatever. And then Creighton over here, sir, Enka. What? My fish, that's my fish. I tell them how to cook it, you don't see what I want. No, they're following my directions. Don't say anything. You want to say something, don't say anything. Huh? What that? Where garbage? We just put it in this and do it. Alright. Cabbage are cut just the way I want it. Yes. And the fish them are stuff and fix up just the way. Yes. Yeah. Alright. Put that one there over here so too. Yes. One more. Put that okra in there too. Nice. I want some butter now. Put the butter. Yeah, that is exactly what I wanted. That is the what?
Yes, chef.
Yes. That is it. Yeah, put some butter on the other side too. Yes. Yeah. Wrap it up now. Wrap it up now. Nice. Wrap it. Yeah. And then you come to the side from the right, then the left, and then center again. Roll. That good. Fundamentals are important, you know. Here we go. One, get another fish. Take not too much callaloo. Not too much, yeah. Put it in the center, put it in the middle. There you go, in the middle. Alright. And a piece of there you go. Alright, butter on both sides now. Remember my direction. Yeah. Butter on that side. No, bring that up. And paste it. Try and paste it evenly, please. Evenly. Alright. On the other side now. Don't rush. No rush. Okay? And remember when you're wrapping. Alright, middle, right, left, then middle again. So right, yeah, left, then roll to the middle, right? There you go. So that is what we want. Fold to the middle, fold to the right, fold to the left, and then roll to the middle. That is my method, okay? Alright then. You see, I'm a little bit confused over here. You need some assistance? No? Yeah. You remember what I told you, right?
Yes,
okay. What we have there?
Open soup, pork soup.
Turn it around, make we see. Is that, make sure say that it's grace cock flavor. Okay, it's the same. Yeah, pouring out the soup. All right then, good. All right. We're looking good. I'm going back to the loading board now. People may have to juggle more, you know, you don't know, Raga, Gardner Ramsay, may I give direction to the cooking. I may go back to the loading board right now. I'm a busy man. We have to be multitasking. You allow me, All right. I hope I play. So on the blue man up on the board. I want to all of the blue man them gone. No, then you're not gonna kill me, I'm not there. Only kill when I'm a man, I'm not there when you're not kill me.
One of them dead when they're there. Go back in the video.
What?
Go back in the video. They died before you left. Like.
That don't even sound right. You died before you left.
No new death.
So well, so me left after me dead.
Yes. Until you know you are dead, you're going to play a chef. Come play alone, you know.
All right, I'm going to see something here now. All right. People, I'm going to show them and teach them a lesson now. See there? I'm going to teach them a lesson now. See there, people? Them nervous already, 6'4". Watch out now. You know you're good when you throw 6 and throw 6 again! 6 again! 6 again! One dead! Send that green bitch.
No.
What?
I do that need.
What?
1 and 6 can't kill this.
No.
I want to come from.
All right, put in one. Oh, me and your friend now.
Alright, since I want to in, I'll put it down to this side. So that we get more space to shake.
No. What you mean? What?
Yeah, the one.
Wait, no. Say it on the record. What? No, you say it on the record. Come in now.
This one gone in, so
yeah.
we take it off, put it to the side. Yes. We get more space for shake.
All right. So and I like you not go try teeth me. So Raga have a man in the heaven already though. We're going to heaven already, though.
With one.
Okay, so now just take it out of the board.
One ever.
What you say what? All right. Me just want me.
You're secure a man in the heaven already.
Yo, me nah look for you know, this and I try this bad man, you know. Come again, see it there. Oh my days! People nervous around here.
I touch it and move. Go back there, so you touch it.
No, then
after you burn, you touch it.
Then I hit my put that up.
After you burn,
No, you're getting super technical now, man. Come on now. All right, put that right there. No, not tell me do. Watch the S. No, what you say? I shouldn't do that now.
Shake your S them already.
No, man.
Snake eyes.
Watch out. Snake. No.
Then I have triple eyes.
No. I'm Miss Cherry Wash Belly attack. My mother play with.
S man in bum. I mean, have the one eye. Have the one eye. And I get that again.
All right, 5, 3. Yeah, you know wait there, right? No, it's the outside. Oh, you're going to show him cutie? All right, yeah. What? No. Me give them direction. Hold on. Deputy Chef. Well on, Watch out. Hold them Java. Well on, Deputy Chefs. Well on, Norval, Anthony. Didn't I give you both directions how to cook the food and prepare it? All right, them say yes, so we don't worry about that. Well on, I'm still a player.
3, 4, 5. That dead.
No. You're not check right now.
Go on 5 for me, Raga, please.
What you did then?
That's so. Move it for me, please. Move that one there for me. We still have my 6 in me.
I did show him did that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Him could have killed her with 6 and a kill her
One man
with
can't kill 2 people. Man, go move up them thing, man.
All right. So we this
dead. We just killed
this
that.
dead, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah, one man.
Dead and born.
Pull up that.
Yo, me don't want nobody to talk to me about me for open up and take lick. No, that no sound right. No, me don't want nobody to tell me about me for open up and take lick.
Uno, dos, tres.
All right.
Por favor. Gracias.
Nobody about me for open up and take lick.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can forgive it for that.
She did want to kill me, you know, with her dirty, wicked self.
Mango!
You're a true, you know, Mango.
And you want the food little by little.
The air and water is always. They just need the ID, somebody with the ID.
To do what? Some what? Corona, okay. All right. Okay, no problem.
What is going on? Do you know how to play the What's going on
This is your turn. It's your turn.
What's this whisper in the back game about?
It's your
I
turn.
know, look good enough.
Here,
Oh.
let me help.
Okay.
No fix. Thank you very much. Close enough.
Yes.
Here's another turn coming around.
It's your turn, sir. So make it a 6.
Well, they get 6, but they're right. Who now gonna kill now? Nobody.
You shouldn't ramp with me, you know, so sleep that one here, you know. We not play with people around here. And a dolly also come here to play. Nothing.
You can't move.
What you mean S? Where you go to S back where? You know, so she get excited a while ago. You know, hear her say S, she must think she's back. The way she want to kill me. She say S, she want to go back where to come kill me.
Backdoor delivery, no, that a scam.
Move up one of them people there, yeah. Good move. I like it. I like it.
Your turn, sir.
What is there?
That never worked this time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. And do.
Rhythm, Jamaica, reggae, retreat.
Why, Green Magnet?
Why are you chasing me? You'll have plenty of time for me.
6'5", they don't know you're look friend.
Okay. 2 down, 2 to go. Mango, I is coming for you.
Traitor one dead. Pick him up! People dead!
What?
You see how she deal with you?
People
You see she in a ramp with you?
2 pound and a murder.
You see she in a ramp with you?
2 pound and a murder, but we must murder something before the day done.
Wah-hoy!
I best time to sit down so when you can't ban. Yeah. You can't get the system out of the way you can't kill me. You know, like that back, you know. Watch and see. What part of that you say? Which part? Oi! I said me use come here, so you know. So at 9 that you know.
A 5 shall you?
Oh. But I said me use come here, so you know. The 5 and 2 she shake and come say me, so
Your eyes not working, that's 5. I mean, I'm 4. 1, 2, 3.
but she was not moving first one.
Yes.
Which other move she did?
You know what about that? Your turn.
Mango a thief, you know.
A thief. Thief.
And that you say? And
Number 5.
Mango a thief.
And that you really say, Ragashanti?
Eh?
Oh, 7 man go just a while hold 1 man.
Them a
How
thief
9 I
and
go
they
leave.
don't
How 9 I go, how 5 I go close past 7.
Nothing.
What you mean nothing?
Deuce.
Nothing.
Deuce.
Him dead.
I know me. You love kill me.
Him dead.
Do straight.
3 do. Yeah, him dead. Yeah, see, well, I could just take a picture and give them 4 man then. Yeah.
Yeah, sugar daddy. Yeah. Sugar daddy.
Real sugar daddy, that you know.
Yo, when she a kill, she kill me. Yo.
I need a refill. Yeah, shit.
Nothing wrong, cause she can't kill a man there with attitude because that man them did sneak back on the board down and never see anywhere. You hear me? A man there when she kill me, in the done dead, I just screech it back on the board down and never see. So it's all good. Eh? You think you alone a gin and leggy. When him there in our ears or whatever, I just sneak on a man back on the board. 6 now.
Yeah, hold on, I free did that.
Huh?
I free did that. You should have never talked. Can't kill her. Some come kill you. No, not yet. Put him moving 5 first. No matter how him pan and can't escape there.
You say she there between, she a wicked. No S. Oh shit. You see how she can't, me not while you know. It's alright. It's alright, me not while you.
Ready up now. My time must come.
Damn, mango.
For me, no.
Mango, no. You know watch Mango and remember Mango do, you know. No, Mango. Mango, you never lock up it twice. No, Mango fix no. Mango, no. No, Mango. No, don't nobody touch the dice. No. Mango, no. You know what Mango lock up it, Mango lock up her 2 man. Look on her face son and look at me and say. What?
She's right.
On the backside you say anything when you're in a J-cam ears all the whole time.
She's right.
Yes.
She moved 2 from here and 4 from here.
Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Yes. Hold on. They need a head chef to check something. They need a head chef to check something. Yeah. What's the problem? Yeah, huh?
Let me reflect, that's what you're looking for, chef.
Yeah, let me see. Nice. We don't see an overkill here because we don't want too much of that to take away the taste of the.
Anyway, you got a taste now, chef.
Okay, what taste? What?
Yeah, the fish, yeah.
With this don't cook, I just.
Yes, what I say. Yeah,
No,
man.
but I needed it a little bit more brown, you know. Yes, I needed it a little bit more brown.
A little more darker?
A little more darker, please. A little more dark. And thank you for not, going too far without checking in with me. That
You're the chef.
listen to me. The way you're conducting yourself right now, I'm going to ensure that you go places. Okay. We're talking TV, billboard. A media blitz, and I'm so impressed with your improvement and things. Hold on. Remember, fold middle, fold left, fold right, then fold middle, then roll middle. Well, hold on. Wait, let's get it from. Okay, fold middle, fold right, fold left, then roll to the middle. Roll. Very good.
Look how much fishy man do.
Very good. People, stop, people. This is the look of pure bad mind. That is what you're seeing right here.
Papa show up them own a gang.
What?
Papa show up them own a gang.
This is it. Those are the language of pure bad mind, you know. People all know we want back with ants them, and I see where the ants them there.
Atrocity.
You see where the ants them there. And the way it don't even look good for her and she not care.
They are secured.
But wait, can I look at them for a second,
Yes,
please?
yeah, you
Can I
can.
look at them for a second?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. No, I don't know what go on here, so you know. That's why you gotta get Everless and Barnley.
You want to see that pan table?
That's why you gotta get Everless and Barnley.
Cheers.
I'm not sure.
Oh wow, I think that.
Huh? At 2 years, yeah.
Mango, you know, twin pride, you know. Teacher.
No, hold on. Wait. Somebody collect the alpha.
Oh, are they there?
Yeah, for a bit. No, hold on. Are you over 21? You have to be 21 and older, you know, are you? Huh?
Yeah, man.
You have to make sure, right? We're not supporting the illegality.
So, hold on. Twin pride, you know. Teacher asked him to spell blind pig. Right? You never tell about it?
What other one ago?
Teacher asked him to spell blind pig. Well, Mango! Mango, we don't like to make that here. Oh, God, Mama. So you know him right?
Yes, sir.
So teacher asked him to spell blind pig.
Okay,
right?
sir.
So him know with him right self.
Yes,
BLNDPG.
That don't look right.
So teacher said, Kingsley, you didn't spell it right. He said, what do you mean I didn't spell it right? So you left out the I. So what teacher you asked me to spell blind pig? It doesn't have any I.
You know something? Can't manage, you know. Can't manage, you know.
Is it? You remember that one?
No, man.
BLNDPG.
My truck. My truck.
You touch my man, fam.
I touch your man, I don't know in there.
I set it.
What you say, what? What?
Up your man. Up your, I'm afraid of you.
Wanna think me nice? What's it there? 2 steps from me gate.
She's nowhere no
2
more.
steps from me gate, I need 6 doors. I want me through 6 doors. That's in the arena. Go over, so. Go over, so. That's where that's a bush. Because when she kill people, she fling them a wicked, you know. Doors again. Get it! Bow! Bow! I do we need over there, so I want me through. Double S. Doors. Die! Die!
Hey, not even killer instinct, you know, see place.
No!
It don't look good.
No, I 2 wicked kill that a while ago. Let's say she had 2 strong a while ago, like she was something about. But it burn you down. It burn you down. It burn you down. I see it in your face. You hurt. You hurt. A one-man shop down. Watch a play, you know. I leave that there. No, I leave that there. So I show you, sir. I show you some man a loaded player. I not touch a one there. A one man you have on the board. Jesus God, now let me can deal with them, so. Eh? What sham you gone to? Now let us sham gone to pool and jacuzzi. No! The Tamfam get together, you're hot. The Tamfam, lock the door. The AC, lock the door. Lock the door, the AC. All right. No, man. Them come
Oh, yes, there's somebody there.
with the ID. But me not have my ID for me.
Yeah, man.
Make sure he's 21 here. Make sure he's 21. Oh, hablas español. Segura se son 21 años, ¿no? ¿Verdad? ¿Verdad? Bueno, bueno, que tenga un buen día, ¿sí? Sí, sí, sí.
Gracias, mi amor.
Sí, sí. Gracias, gracias. Modern times now, you know, we have a beer delivered round here, don't we? Oi. Alright, back in our juggling.
The best thing ever, bread and butter.
What?
Bread and butter, so good.
Can we get back the toy ants them now, please?
Unfortunately, no.
So we're not gonna get them back for the rest of the weekend?
Later.
Later?
Yeah, later can be this evening. Later can be tomorrow around 9:50.
I'm not comfortable with this.
Later can be
Anthony.
put your PJs on.
Anthony, I want you to know that right now, it's on the table for you, for me to ensure that you get a significant advancement, right? I have a gig for you to be the head chef in the White House. But the only way we'll be able to secure that is if you can get back our toy ants that were stolen by your wife. So, what? That wasn't the answer I was trying to get from you. Well, I'm not giving up. There has to be a way. Yeah, hey, you see them over here, thief? Them over here, thief? No. Oh, no, play. I'm not there. No. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. Me don't know what I want to do. You can't play. No, but you can't play when you're there. No, you can't play when you're there. I don't know what you're true and whatever. No. You never play when you're there. See, Mango gone there took a Mango says, I lie, you tell. No. No, you can't kill me when you're there. You're mad, man. Nothing can go so. No, you can't kill me when you're there. Me can't come up and see a fling. Me I walk up and me see a fling off my man after the moment. Me don't know how you reach over here. Me don't even know say you born. Me not see no 6. A fool you take me for. No, me not buy that. Me don't play. Me walk away and me come back and see she kill me. Anything can go so. The other time she don't even have man for we kill her. And me walk around there and then I smile. She man go around there. A general ship. She man go around down there. A thief. Me don't play. Me not accept that. Fool you take me for. Me not accept that. Me a ball out. Chad. Don't we go for the liquor a while ago? Hold on, man. No, but just a man go there, right? When me come up, she fling off my man them off of the board.
No, sir, that's not right.
Right? Remember, so she do it when we kill her, you know. And when we come up, she fling off my man off of the board, right?
That's not right.
So, and she said, but Mango was here. Mango start smile and get up and run gone. What that mean?
Mango lied already.
No, but Mango knows a lie, she tell.
Mango lied already.
Me not accept that. Me don't play.
Me either.
Me don't play. Me not accept that. A thief, you a thief. A rob, you a rob way. No, a thief, you a thief. A rob, you a rob. Me not make no woman come beat me up them way there. Me don't even know how I want to go. We have to stand up for our rights, no? What? No, you can't say what you want to say. You not get your own way and go boy, you win that game and whatever and all this thing. A rob, you a rob way. Your people are beer food there, you know. See, the beer food there, people are eat food left, right and center. People say, who just try rob me on the Ludi game there. J Camp, what? You eat that, you can't go and boy, you have to go to iron and show me FR finger. I not look for you, where I made the FBI see you, see it there? Are you try kill me? Alright, see what I go on here? People are eat food. This is one of the person who thief the things that I will buy. The toy ants I will buy, she thief it, but she there full of her belly door. Right? So our next wicked here, from the ants nest crew, let me see if she can dance. Well, she know look at something. Nah, look on her. Right? So what if her food I eat?
That's what I try. change the color of the sauce, it can get dark as he wants it. So
No, but say that again. Say that again. Say that again.
yeah, but I try to get the sauce and fish as dark as a chef. Sorry, yes, boss.
Yes.
As much as better as you want.
Right. The way that I want it, right?
Yes, boss.
Because we are govern the thing, you know. Right now, Val.
Yes, sir.
All right then, cool. See some more fish are line up. Pews here easy. And thing. Food I eat over here so already, ribs and thing and whatever. You see? And beer things are going on outside here. You know, say you're wicked. I ask you how the woman rob me and thing, and instead of you tell me how the woman rob me and thing, you run away. You run away after she teeth me and come kill off my man. No, she did rob me and whatever, so why you run away and never say nothing? Oh, me if you play load and walk away and come back and not kill my man.
Oh, damn.
No, leave that alone. Leave that alone, leave that alone. Leave that alone. No, that shut me up right there, sir. On that note, leave it alone, you know? On that note, leave it alone. Respect, you respect the Tamfam get together. Blessings, man. Blessings.
Well, we are strangers amongst each other.
Right.
Other than, like, when no dog might know you.
Right.
But we see the vibe we are going.
Nice. We give thanks.
Hey. Hold on, Raga. As good as our memory is,
yeah.
I know she don't remember she say I talk about she drunk. And she don't remember say she don't drink nothing yet.
And she remember say what?
She don't remember say she don't drink nothing yet. And she tell people about she drunk. And she don't remember.
No, she not drunk.
Yeah. You don't drink
nothing. But anyway, with she, Tam drunk, but Tam not full. All right. Beer things are going over there, so the ladies them. I not finish no game, I go away. I think man I idiot. I think man I fool. I not finish no game. I not finish no game. I fool them take me for. Fool them take me for. Me and the man go at the door, go pick up the liquor we order. Right, and then when we carrying the liquor and come back, them I say, Raga, all of your man them dead. I said, but all of my man them dead have been there. And them I say, yeah them no. But man got the day, then the time Jay came and kill all of my man them. So me just start ball out like a bitch. Me just say, no. Not the car go, so me don't play. And the car kill all of my man them when me never there. Me done too. Right how me done. It look like a photo shoot over here, so Nablet. Yeah. Nablet. Sham Sweetness and her daughter. You know, so me never go out here, so. Yeah, let me see what I go on out there. Make I see what I go on. What the hell? Then why this have to slam so when it lamp? Okay. Huh? Am I going to the crocodile? Yo, crocodile are afraid of me. We are bad man. Alright, man, go see what I'm going. I take a look at what I can people. What the hell? See it, read, watch your step. I have a clubhouse over here where, it's part of the complex and we can. Most of these, what we would call housing scheme in Jamaica, are up here, them say subdivision. They usually have a local central area with a big pool and some meeting facilities and whatever. Basically it's a communal area for the entire complex, So that's the one here. Kids playing football and the like, and I do them thing, but the facility is there for us to use, but we don't have to use it because we have a one pool area and all them something there, you see. No, one thing doing. What you say, what? So alligator out here? We're not afraid of no alligator around here. And we are going right at the edge too. What you say? But soon forward. No, people in Florida. If I want to know someone live in Florida for a while down. And one thing we Floridians know, well, I live in New York now, well, for several years now. Well, moved back to New York because I lived in New York before. But one thing we Floridians know, is that anyway you see water and canal, because Florida has a lot of dump up land and it has probably the most sophisticated canal system in the entire world, possibly. I think the Netherlands probably up there also. But one thing we Floridians know, with all the swamp and the biggest area for with the most alligators, right? Florida have that, in terms you have the main area where the alligator them there, but you have all these ponds and canals and whatever that the alligator them in there too. And then, so one I think that is common in Florida is don't go to the water's edge, right? Because alligators and crocodiles were around in the time of the dinosaur, And many species have died out, and they are some of the few who were around that time and still they're about. And that is not by accident. Is that they are considered one of the apex predators and things. Great hunters, and that is why one of the main reasons why they are able to survive. And they have a thing where them love to stay at the water's edge and wait for prey, P-R-E-Y, to come at the edge, and then them just spring up, grab you, and carry you in the water, and them do you what them call a death roll. Them spin rapidly and drown you and put you in shock, broke up your bones, them and all these things, and kill you quickly, and then yam you. So there's this thing when them say don't go to the water's edge in Florida, because alligator will dead there and want to come yam you. So here I am now at the water's edge, and we are look out if any alligator there, because one of the Tamfam them had actually seen one, No, seriously. A friend of hers, she went out there to him to pick up something, and them said the alligator him come up, and the reasoning was, what they explained to us was that once the sun come up, them always come out and get some sun themselves. So we are at the water's edge right now. Well, I make a look back on my first. Yeah. So we're building there, that's a house there. Well, the Airbnb house. Right. And see the water, yeah. And it goes out across there. It's very nice here. And this is typical of properties in Orlando, Have this kind of scene, and you see that walkway over there where people jog and walk and all these things, This is quite typical in Florida, and very much so in Orlando, which, because of Disney, is a huge modern cosmopolitan metropolis. Don't worry, me I look, if him come out, if them jump out, them have to catch me. You understand? Then catch me and juke him in my eye. You understand? Yeah. Alright. Go back up in the house and thing and whatever. You see? Yeah, it's all about Tamfam get together. I think nice. And people up there in I pool. Right, them a set up Let me set up the game net in at the pool. Look like they're going to play some ball game in at the pool. What you say you want? You want the jacuzzi to start? Alright, why don't I do that? Would you like Raga to take care of that? You want Raga to start the jacuzzi? You want to feel water, warm water bubble up under your door? Oh, you mean? Huh?
I apologize for my knock this year, but that's something
The people fight for day and night. The
I apologize for my knock.
What?
No, I'm enough sometimes.
With what? What you talking about? No, you refer to something specific, you know. No?
No. I just think, you know, me that one too no. Me no.
No, you weren't.
Oh, alright.
Wait, are you serious?
No, man, me think somebody that one no.
When?
Oh, alright.
Yeah, right. She had enough monitor. Not enoughness monitor. She had enoughness monitor. Alright. And if she say you never weren't being up, then you weren't being up.
When I drink 2 juice, you know,
Yeah.
I should look for me.
You need some more. That's a cue. That's a cue. Like, ratchet it back a little bit. Tone it down a little bit. Calm down a little bit. All right. Cool. No. Well, you can't enough than this one. Yeah. This one.
Oh, Lord.
Answer screw on it. You see? People, what you're seeing here is an answer screw. Them not used to oven. So one that she not used to oven. And one of them not used to oven and whatever. And of course somebody from the spray them crew I show them charm. I go show them. Yeah, show them charm. Show them. Everybody except your wife. Respect. People, see now that out there in a jacuzzi, watch out, I'm going to turn it off on him. I'm going to turn it off on Now, Blake, I want him to the jacuzzi. I want him to the jacuzzi. I will turn off the jacuzzi. Oh God, is who turn off the jacuzzi? Is who turn off the jacuzzi? Me I turn it on back here. Me don't know who turn it off, but me turn it on, you know. Them too wicked, let me turn it on back for you, yeah.
You don't come find domino table, you know?
Eh?
You don't come find domino?
No man, you call me on the domino table.
What you mean?
And then I come on the domino table and murder she wrote for you, alright? Careful where you ask her, you might get it. Yeah. Polly, alright? Alright. Now let the water bubble up under you, don't. It feel nice, don't. But now let it look like you can't manage it, you know, you're lean, you know. Eh? Now let you know can't, no sir. How you feel up under you, now let your hand under you. Now let your hand under you, you know, you can't manage it. No, now let me know. You good? Alright, as long as you enjoy it, you know, you see me. What you say, what? It's a batter, yo. Hold it, Big G, hold it. Strong body woman. Strong body woman. Give me a look up past there. What?
She just get a crash course in the answers, and she joins.
Hold on, people, I want to see me face, I want to see me face.
We're going to find out if them answer can bite. We're going to find out if them answer can bite.
People, when I see them slack this, this thing I get out of hand, you know. Look how I just meet the nice lady. I mean, I say, what a nice lady. Wait, what is her name again? Eh? Jillian. What Jillian? Jillian, you're just forward. Jillian. What? Here's an answer. Yes, Jillian. You say it's not for you though. A while ago you say I am an ants man. No, you don't know. You said that, you know, me hear you say that, Jillian. You say I am an ants man. Jillian, no, Jillian, think about this now. Them just put you in a crew. Hold on, and turn you in a man. Them put you in a crew and turn you in a man. No, it can't be a good thing. Jillian, it can't be a good thing. It can't. Jillian, it can't be a good thing. I don't even somebody say it, you know, you say it yourself, you know. Them obvious say them things about yourself. And you say it proud and strong too, you know, Jillian. You say, I am a huntsman. You say, I am a huntsman. Proud and loud. Jillian. No, you know. Jillian. We all make mistakes in life, right? And you can make a correction, all right? Jillian, come over to the spray them crew. Jillian, come over to the spray them crew and walk with God. And walk with God. Listen, what?
Look at there, you want to ask to step that mad one here?
Boy, I can't believe Jillian. Boy, Jillian do it bad. Ph.D, you good? You sure? All right. What go on? How old that? Who, Len? Big up in a brother. Now say a word, you know. Where they have fun and all these things, you know. Here, sir. Everything jiggy. Everything balanced. It goes some man. Bless up yourself. Here. All right, manners. Well, you don't know. The thing I juggle nice, isn't it? The thing I go on with itself, yeah? The vibe's nice and idea, yeah, and a beer food and niceness and the whole works, you know? So, never sign off now till later we juggle again, see? Man, alright? Bless up on yourself. Tamfam, get together. Kissing me, Orlando, Florida. The vibe's jiggy. Ragashanti and the family, you see? Alright? So the thing said. Just make sure, say, the next time Tamfam I meet up, make sure you're dead there. You understand? Because you miss out on all of the fun right now. Don't. Man. People look there. One spray them and one ants wine and go down. And the spray them strong and the ants flop. And the ants member flop. People, let me tell you, the two of them wine go down. One spray them and one ants nest. And when the ants go down, watch it. Flop. I'll know the spray. Sit down on that mango. Sit down on that. Oh, wow. Yeah, that kind of look good. Yeah.
All right. Hey.
Hold on. So what's the question now?
Boss, the color is alright, or is it?
What?
Is the color okay? Cause I just see one of the darker.
Right. No, yes, this is good. I like this color now, you know? We have the Caribbean persuasion. We don't really like things look a little pale. We like color. That's why we say we're brown things. Oh, wow. Okay.
So, I don't know, maybe one plus put some over the top of the garnish.
With a garnish and thing. Because when we're finished, you know, we want everything to... Yeah, well, wait, what's that?
The fish tea is finished.
What did you call me just now?
Chef,
yes, and what you say? Okay, the fish tea finished.
Yes, we like to try
okay.
that.
Yes, yeah, I want to try some of that fish tea, yes. What? What? What up? No, the bad mind is real. The bad mind is real. The bad mind is real. What the bad mind is real. Yeah, just rest it right there for me. The bad mind is real. Yeah, I see you in pain. Just because we think I turn up over here, so you know. Just because. Wow. What? You saw that? That was torture. That was torture. That was just so unacceptable. Where my ask for what? Yeah, my fish tea ready. See that? See that? Hold on. I have to take some picture. What?
That's not fish tea.
It's fish tea.
No, it's chicken.
No, it's fish tea. It's fish tea. It's fish tea. Yeah, it's fish tea. I know what I was the one who gave the direction.
The chef who gave me the direction.
Right, say that again, sir.
The chef gave me the direction to make the
Right. So,
He told you.
yo, the heat is real. The heat is real. I see your pain and hurt and whatever. It burn you down. It burn you so you think turn up down. It just burn you so.
No.
Down. And think.
Color look good?
Non-cook, non-chef.
Honey, you can't ask me this. We're not home and we're not on the same team.
But it look good.
It could be a little lighter. It could be a bit less cooked.
No, it is exactly how I wanted it. And he did it exactly how I asked him to do, the right color and cook exactly how I wanted it. And when you slap with piece and thing and whatever, you go lick off your 10 finger them and thing, and the bad mind are going to reel up in you, but you're not going to admit it, but you're going to in your mind, you're going to say, yeah. No. Yo, Jano, watch it. Well, I'm never take a picture of the soup. Voila, Jesus God, who tell us you can? Sorry, let me take a picture first. One day you make big share. Well, okay, we need somebody to grace the food before we eat. Who's going to do that? I would like to suggest not dog bite anybody else.
No. I can dog bite.
Yeah. Okay, Aunt Tarsha will grace the food. Come on, guy. All right.
Dog bite.
All right. Okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Aunt Tarsha will do it.
All right. Unity. Do some unity, man. Yeah, do a little unity.
I think Anthony's showering.
Oh, Anthony outside.
He's outside?
Who women?
Come and call phone.
Chicken back there. Java, what chicken back?
Chicken back? That's my boo.
The man come. And the man announce it.
All right. Antasha, go and grace the food now, okay?
Raga.
Yeah.
You want to tune up, brother? Oh, yeah.
Oh, just a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
What's going on? All right. Okay.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys.
Sorry for company.
Yes.
All right. Looking good.
Let's bow our head in prayers. Most righteous Father, as we come before you today, we definitely want to give you thanks for bringing us from all over, different states. Firstly, I must say thank you for bringing us here safely. And, thank you for the organizer, Raga. Thank you so much for, having him here and just enriching our lives, dear Lord. The food that we're about to consume, I pray that it may be a nourishment to our bodies, right? And also for the chefs that were here diligently preparing, Lord. I pray that, may their store basket be never empty. I pray for abundance of great health, blessing in their life. Chef Satchel, Chef Neil, Norval, right? And, Executive Chef Raga. I pray for prosperity for all of the above. Lord, as we're going to be journeying home tomorrow, I pray for safety on the road for those who are driving, for those who are flying, and those who are nearby. May you cover us under your blood, and again, may we enjoy the food that we're about to eat. In Jesus' name,
Amen. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ragashanti.
Okay. Let's see. Thank you. Who did the ribs? Sham did the ribs. Okay. I want a picture of everything. Okay. Got my food over here. Rice over here. Curry. This looks like curry chicken. Alright, I'm going to pass in at this. What do we got here? Oh, it's cabbage. Oh, that's porridge from this morning.
Is there an spoon for the rice? Here you go.
People start out themselves. Food time. This is mine. No, that no sound good. No. You know, you ever talk about him want some raga thing?
Oh, damn.
Yeah, no, fix up that. I'm gonna have no fish for you eat either.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get a bit of get video, Yeah. You know, so I'm not gonna pay no mind dog bite. You alright,
Raga, I'll try your fish it.
You never remember the ancestors screwing up.
The what?
We're already blessed.
You'd have to go find some faulty. Just thank her for bless the food. Argument done.
Exactly, we're blessed.
Yeah.
Just post it with us.
What that? Where's the what? Oh, that one?
Where's the fork?
They're right there by the plate.
Unscrew. Unscrew when I need it.
Yeah, we don't need it. Eh? I'm not look on him, I'm alright, yeah? I'm quite alright.
No. I want people only take one. No, only one of that, please, because I want the small. But I tell them before, yeah. All right, only one of that. Remember, people, one of that take. Remember, say it, each of the thing them just small and a one thing, right? So I'll be the bad guy and telling her that. Nobody not take no 2, 3, 4. We just want it safe. All right? Thank you.
Until after.
Alright, well done. Hello, just come in. Alright, blessings, man. Manners and blessings. What's your name? Tony, alright. Eh? Mel. Oh, okay, Mel. Alright, blessings, man. Well, you come the right time, food. And don't be bashful. Come eat, come join the line and eat. Yeah. Huh?
Walk on the street.
What's that?
Walk on the street.
Did they give you one of the people when they came in?
No.
When they come in at the gate, you didn't tell them where you're going?
Yes.
They didn't give you a paper?
No.
Okay, they're supposed to give you a paper, you know, where you just put on your, right on your dashboard and thing. I could see how it go now, alright?
Yeah.
I could see how it go, alright.
Yes, sir.
Alright, me turn off this thing and go look some food, you know? Tamfamers, big up on yourself. Alright? Alright, let me stop this and go look food. No, wait, why they must stop it? If they must say Raga the food tastes good, why they must stop it?
Because Raga didn't cook anything.
What do you mean Raga didn't cook anything?
No, you did not.
What do you mean Raga didn't?
Yes, Raga did cook.
Yo, the heat.
Not even wash a fish.
No, the heat is real.
One carrot.
The heat is real.
One instant.
No. There was 3 carrots. It was 3 carrots. It was 3 carrots. The heat is real.
Raga ever tell the story about the first time I'm going to doctor for to get a physical?
No.
Yeah. Good jungle. The doctor said, blow for me, Mr. Shanti. Here, Raga. Pee-pee! Say, no. That's not the one. No, Mr. Shanti, that's the way. Yeah, no. Papa!
Y'all got jokes, right? Want me to do it? Go on.
Big jokes, no lazy body. Pull up.
Where did
Come on, now.
Hey. And the doctor said to him, look for me, Mr. Stewart. Here, Raga. Beep, beep. They put the stethoscope on it. He said, no. That's all, Mr. Stewart. Here, Raga. Papa.
every time. All right, I need to sit on that ear now.
Come on, girl. See what I
Yeah, go for that ball for them. And get a nice shot of this. Wait 1 second. Oh. Nice.
You just get it now. You have to represent for your mother now, you know. Okay. Ancestors can't, oh my God. I'm going to have a great, come on.
They're doing it, slamming down.
Now, on the for hold the other hand, on the for hold with the other hand under it. Alright, well, no, usually the other two and them are old, but okay, it's not a big deal.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Come on. No, hold on. Wait, what happened a while ago? Yo! No. Yo! No. Hold on. That look like we have to do a do-over. Yeah, because no, Mr. Antasha dive over so. Yeah, Mr. Antasha dive. Oh, dive come in. Why look like some party out for going? How am I run? Stewart low.
Look up press if you're not smoke. Love who you want, love live life with no regrets. Me and touch
different thing out here. Different thing out here. How I went? You know, some would have play some cut short now come. Are you alone over there, sir? Somebody in the water below you? Huh? How are you? Good? Alright. You know what? I'm not go over there, so you know. Happy.
Where you long cigar or something? That's the only thing you're missing now.
Yeah, no. Them something that Hugh used to roll with, don't. Yeah. When you and I, you know, before we passed, we decided to pass on those things, you know, given their carcinogenic properties. We prefer not to indulge in any smoking anymore, you know what I'm saying? Oh boy, I miss the good old days with Hugh, you know? See, everybody just a chill, you see it? I want to go on there, so roast breadfruit? I lie. You serious?
It's hot.
Huh? It hot? Well. Oh. Yo, it is good. It have a slight biterish thing to it.
Was that right, man?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh?
We got that right.
Oh, they did that right. And as the Saturday night wound down, did I wind down, the two probably the most craziest and vibesiest people in the group, they were at it again. And them never know somebody catch that one up on video. But see it ya!
Lala, tutu lala. Come mango, bring the lala.
Oh God, help me.
Come mango, bring the lala. Look on that bite, him a go on like him can. Him a go on like him can manage it. Only here, hold on for it.
Wait a minute.
Mango and dog bite, man. Ever full of vibes and thing, yeah. You don't know, so after that, you know, we have to take some pictures and all these things. You're viewing some of them. And again, we just want to big up all Tamfam. I want to big up all the people that move forward. Some of you drove long distances to get there, and many, you know, other people, you flew in, you know. And again, without your presence there, it wouldn't have been a success. And without your personalities and just your correct attitude, and you know, it wouldn't have been a success. I just want to thank you all, and I will look forward to doing this someplace else again. You know, much better and more organized now that we know where some of the kings are and so forth. And so it is that on the Sunday, we said bye to our little Airbnb Tamfam house and thing, and it was a wonderful, great weekend, and it was my pleasure to put together this amateur video presentation to share it with you. Y'all take care of yourselves now, all right? And you don't know the thing set in a Tamfam straight without apology. Everything is everything. Y'all be good, right? Okay? Blessings and respect, man. And enough thanks to everybody who support Tamfam. You know, whether, you know, it's been recent since you started or you've been doing this for years. I am very thankful to you. And it is my joy and goal, you know, to build this, you know, like a family. You know, for us to make friends and to grow and be entertained and to learn and not know the things. Laugh, learn, and grow. Ragashanti. So bless upon us. Respect. Cool.